Hey guys, welcome back to RGTV. Today I'm going to show you how to do banana bread cheesecake. We're going to use banana bread, my banana bread recipe, which will be linked at the top. We're going to use that as the crust for our cheesecake. So stay tuned and I hope you guys like this one. Okay guys, so all I've done is we're going to bake this in a small pan. I think this is, I don't know, 6-inch pan maybe. So we're gonna bake it in this, and I have just laid down, I've buttered my pan, and then I have laid down a piece of parchment paper that'll help us remove that a little bit easier when it's ready to go. And then all I'm gonna do is take some butter, and we're just going to put that down on the bottom and around the sides. Okay, so I have my banana bread recipe, and I'm going to link that again at the top, or these recipes will be linked at the end of the video. All right, so all we're going to do is we're just going to take our bread recipe, and I have added nuts to this. We're just going to fill the pan about halfway full. You can leave the nuts out if you like. I added walnuts. And then I'm just going to tap that down, and we're going to get our cheesecake ready. Okay guys, so I took my cheesecake recipe. It'll be in the corner above or down below or both. Took half of that and I poured that batter on top of our banana bread. We're going to bake this at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes, just depending on how long it takes. And I will see you back then. Okay guys, there you go, banana bread cheesecake. It took about 40 minutes because my pan was a lot smaller, but you can see that the banana bread kind of came up over the sides and made a perfect crust. This was really good. Definitely give it a try. If you don't have the stuff to make your regular crust, then whip up some banana bread and you have a banana bread cheesecake. So let me know down below if you've tried this, or maybe some alternate ideas on what you guys use. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to share me and like the video. As always guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.